Have you ever considered the benefits of homeownership in Ontario? There's a certain charm to it, and it's not just about the beautiful landscapes and vibrant cities. It's about the sense of belonging, stability, and the freedom that comes with it. The first benefit is the potential to build equity over time. As you pay down your mortgage, you're not just spending money, you're investing in your future. Each payment is an investment, a step towards owning a valuable asset. It's a bit like having a savings account, but with the potential for much higher returns. Another advantage of homeownership is stability and security. You are the master of your own domain. No more worrying about rent increases or being asked to vacate by a landlord. It's your home, and you have the control to live in it as long as you wish. Then there's the freedom to customize your living space. Want to paint your bedroom a bright, bold color? Go ahead. Fancy installing a jacuzzi in the bathroom? Nothing's stopping you. It's your home, and you can shape it to reflect your personality and lifestyle. And let's not forget the potential tax advantages. Homeowners may be eligible for certain tax deductions, which can make a significant difference in your annual tax bill. It's always wise to consult with a tax advisor to understand all the potential benefits. However, homeownership is not a decision to be taken lightly. It's crucial to consider your financial situation, the timing in the market, and how buying a home aligns with your long-term goals. Thankfully, there are plenty of resources to help you make an informed decision. The Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, Ontario Real Estate Association, and Realtor.ca are fantastic places to start. And for a clear picture of potential costs, the Ontario Land Transfer Tax Calculator is an excellent tool. In conclusion, homeownership in Ontario offers numerous benefits, from building equity and enjoying stability to the freedom of customization and potential tax advantages. It's a journey, an adventure, and a significant part of the Canadian dream. So if you're ready, why not explore what homeownership in Ontario has to offer?